Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So today in this tutorial video, I will tell you how to record your presentation in PowerPoint with your IDEO. Because many students were asking me how to record, how can they record their presentation, and how can they send me their presentation. So that's why I'm making this video to educate you about the process of recording your presentation in PowerPoint with VoiceOver. So first of all, you will have to make the slides. For example, I have made one slide here and you will dash down the main points of your presentation in the slide. For example, here I have made 3 slides. All right. So I have written the main points of my topic here. All right. So I will not discuss the topic, of course, the 20th century literature. This is not my topic. I have just made this for the sake of making you understand the process of recording your presentation in PowerPoint, right? So here, first of what will you do for the sake of recording your presentation with your voice? You will have to move to these options. So what will you do? First of all, you will open your PowerPoint file, and after that you will go in this option, that is slideshow. Click on slideshow and go to this option, that is record slideshow. And here just left click on this arrow. You will get 3 options: record from current slide, record from beginning, and clear. First of all, you will record from current slide. Does mean the slide which is open on your screen. So of course you might want to record from your current slide, that is which is open on our screen. And record from beginning does mean if you have opened the slide number 3, for example this slide, I have opened the slide number 3, this one, and I want to and record from beginning, so it will not start recording from slide number 3, right? It will start recording from slide number 1. Beginning mean right from the start. So here I will start recording from my current slide. Okay, I have clicked on this. Now I will start recording. Here your recording starts, and now my audio is being recorded along with the written material which is open on the current screen. So whatever I'm speaking here, it is being recorded in the PowerPoint file. Here, how to record your presentation in PowerPoint with your audio. So this is this sentence I spoke for the sake of getting recorded. Okay, ji. Now I can just if my voice is over, if you have spoken enough about your the current slide which you are recording here, just click on escape here. So it has been recorded. Now if you want to check it, just go here on the right side. Here you can find the option of sound, the sound option or the audio option. If you click on this one, play, so your audio will automatically play. Here your recording starts, and now my audio is being recorded. Here you can see that along with my whatever I recorded during my lecture here, during my video here, it can be played here. Let me play it again for you. The written material which is open on the current screen. So whatever I'm speaking here, it is being all right. So this is how I have recorded the first slide, the my audio for the first slide. So same is the process for the second slide. Go to the second slide, and if you don't want to escape the first slide, if you continuously want to record, so you can again go. If I don't want to take a break among my recording, I can go again, and I can start recording from the current slide, right? Current slide does mean the second slide here, because I have opened the second slide, the 20th century literature, etc. I'm again going to record slideshow, again this option, and then this option. So now whatever I'm speaking, it is being recorded, and it is the recording number 2, you can say. It is the recording for the slide number 2 as well. So if you want to pause your recording in the middle, you can pause it here. All right. So here your recording is paused, and if you want to do something else, if you want to drink water or tea, etc., you can take that, and again you can resume recording, and this resume, and it will again start from where you left. Here you are recording you are recording your voice for slide number 2, and if you want to continue your recording for slide number 3, click on the right arrow button on your laptop, on your desktop here. Now uh, the third slide, yeah, you can see the third slide on my screen here, and you can record whatever you are recording, whatever you are speaking, it is being recording for the slide number 3. And if you think you are spoken enough, you have already explained everything which is given on your slide, just click on escape button. All right, here you can see the recording for slide number 2 and 3 as well. This is recording for slide number 2. Let me play it for you. So now whatever I'm speaking, it is being recorded, and it is the recording number 2. You can say it is the recording for the slide number 2. So this was recording for my slide number 2, and here you can find this recording for slide number 3. Yeah. Now uh, the third slide, you can see the third slide on my screen here, and you can record. All right, this is how you can record your presentation in PowerPoint with your idea as well. So if you think that, for example, you haven't recorded well for the slide number 2, and if you want to delete, and for example, if you want to delete the recording for slide number 1, go to the slide number 1 again, go to record slideshow, go to clear. If you want to clear timing, it does mean clear delete timing on the current slide, you can click on this. If you clear narration or delete your narration, delete your idea for the current slide, so you can click on this. If you clear narration on current slide, it will delete your idea for current slide, the slide which is open on the screen. If you want to delete all the ideas which you have already recorded for all the slides, you can clear narration on all sides. So let me clear narration on current slide. Here I have cleared the narration on current slide. So now look at here, you cannot find any audio option because you have already deleted your idea for the current slide. If we move to slide number 2, you can still find idea for this because we haven't deleted idea for this slide, right? You can still find idea for the second slide. But if you want to delete your if you want to delete your idea for all the slides, you will click narrations on all slide here. Now you cannot see any recording, you cannot see any option for the audio on the right side of the slides. So this was all about how to record your presentation in PowerPoint with your voice. I hope you have understood. If you still have any questions, please ask me in the comment below or on WhatsApp or in Google Classroom. Thank you very much for watching.